Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy sarees collections only for you. So let me display this smart and bright color combinations. All are this one is Chanderi silk cotton material, Chanderi silk cotton with printed border and all over base part is sequin design and very lightweight, comfortable, smart looks. Chanderi silk cotton material with beautiful sequin design work and border portions printed one very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part Chanderi silk cotton material with sequin design and very bright and fresh color combinations, nice looks, lightweight. This one pallu end, beautiful highlighted printed pallu end, and this one is full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base Chanderi silk cotton material all over sequin work, and this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one a premium quality pure handloom fine linen by linen base with beautiful printed one silver zari border all over, nice printed one. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color with nice printed highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one full base part all over printed one, soft one. This portion is border portions, silver zari with beautiful printed border, and this one running blouse piece, fully printed running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving stripes design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one very beautiful color combinations, cotton slab material with weaving border design all over, silver zari weaving buta work, very nice looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast color with fine weaving design work border, and this one pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. This one is pallu portions, and this one full base part, very elegant looks all over, silver zari weaving buta design, and this one is border portions, very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric fully layeria pattern printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very beautiful color combinations, cotton slab material, a grey shade, very beautiful one all over base part is silver zari checks design, very smart look. This one is full base part, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart one. This one is full base part cotton slab material, silver zari border all over checks design with highlighted silver zari weaving buta work, very nice looks. This one is full base part all over checks with buta, and this one is pallu end, highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu end, and this one full base part, very smart and fresh looks. And this is this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fancy looks. And this one very beautiful color combinations, royal bright royal blue shade, dupian silk cotton material, mixed material checks design with buta work, fine weaving buta work, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart looks. Dupian silk cotton mixed material all over checks with buta work. This one is beautiful fine weaving buta, and this one is pallu in fully contrast color pallu, and lightweight, comfortable, easy drapable. And this one is full base part royal blue, face royal blue shade, and all over checks design. And this cotton fabric, nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one very beautiful one, fully khadi base with hand embroidery design work. This one full base part, very elegant looks premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful hand embroidery design work. This one is full base part, This portion is upper base part, upper portion with fine hand embroidery design border work. And this one is pallu in pom-pom design, and this one very smart and trendy looks. This one is full base part, premium quality khadi cotton base. This one is running blouse piece, same hand embroidery design, and this portion is beautiful hand embroidery design work. This portion a beautiful one, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one nice color combination, soft silk material, contrast color, highlighted stripes design, very elegant and fresh looks. Soft silk handloom and all over contrast color stripes design. This one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very smart looks, best for your daily wear. Contrast color highlighted stripes design all over base, very beautiful one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base pattern. This cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart fresh looks. In a very beautiful one, semi organza base, nice color combinations all over, feather like weaving checks design, very nice and fresh trendy looks. This one is parrot green shade with semi organza base, lightweight, soft, easy drapable with beautiful fine feather like weaving checks design all over base, and the transparent. And this one is pallu in beautiful highlighted stripes pattern pallu in. And this one full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, smart and fresh looks all over checks pattern design, feather like checks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant looks. And I suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart fresh looks. And this one also very beautiful one, soft silk material with contrast color dye border, silver saree border, and all over base part is plain silk cotton material, Dupian silk cotton material. And this one full base part, contrast color dye border, and all over base part is plain based for your daily wear, office wear. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color with stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant looks. This one is full base, lightweight, comfortable, based for your daily wear, contrast color dye with silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also nice color combinations, handloom soft silk material with beautiful printed one, very lightweight, comfortable, and all over base part is Badhani Buta printed one, highlighted half-inch golden saree border, and pallu portions fully contrast color printed pallu, soft silk material. This one pallu portions beautiful bright printed pallu, and this one is full base part yellow shaded with Badhani Buta printed one. This one full base part all over printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, and very lightweight, comfortable, based for your daily wear. In a very nice and bright color combinations, khadi cotton silk material, fine weaving border design, bright maroon shade, very beautiful one. This one is full base part, bright maroon shade with fine weaving design work, highlighted border all over base part, khadi cotton base, very soft, comfortable, smart looks. This one is full base part, weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions fully contrast color highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material embroidery mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom tissue cotton material, soft one, golden sign with fine weaving border design, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, fully fine weaving design work border all over base part, plain with golden sign. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very elegant looks. This one is border portions, fine weaving design work border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And this is silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also very beautiful and elegant color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom muga silk, golden saree border, and all over base part is plain with zari border, very trendy looks, muga silk base, pure handloom. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and lightweight, comfortable, smart looks. This one is full base part, plain base zari border. This one is running blouse piece, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lion material with golden sign all over base, shiny material, silver zari border, golden piping, and all over golden zari weaving buta design, very bright and beautiful gorgeous looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lion base with beautiful zari weaving buta design, silver zari border, golden piping. And this one pallu portions highlighted contrast golden and silver stripes pattern pallu. And this one full piece part, very elegant and fresh looks, all over buta design, silver zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full piece part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and fresh looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.risefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have dipped a beautiful bright look saree, premium quality, pure handloom tissue lion base with all over contrast color checks with buta work, shiny material. And this one border portions, fully fine weaving design work, highlighted border. And this one pallu portions, fully weaving design brocade pattern weaving design work, pallu end and pom pom design, very elegant and fresh looks, bright color combinations, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.